Hello, everyone. Shay's Creations here. And guess what I got? I have some deli style smoked ham that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Why I'm using smoked ham? Because I don't have nothing else and I don't know how to make beans. Anyway, this is my first time. I have some pinto beans in here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I put some seasoning in there, put some butter in there because I love my butter. But I do know you're supposed to use I do know you're supposed to use some type of like a smoked meat. So I called my friend and he said it was okay to use this ham. Now I do have Black Forest ham and this ham here, but he said use the smoked ham. But I'm using the entire pack of ham because I know I'm gonna love these beans, boys and girls. So this is my first time, and hopefully they come out good enough. I'm going to eat them regardless. And my friend is expecting a bowl. And it is what it is. So I don't know what you're supposed to put in beans. Like if you're supposed to put onions or, that type of stuff. I don't remember seeing onions anytime I ate beans though. But I'm definitely going to put some onions in mine. And what made it easy for me to cut this meat is that it's partially frozen. But I'm gonna do the nice thing now. I'm gonna take some to my computer desk for me to nibble on while I'm searching the web. So that I guess that means I'm not actually gonna use the entire pot. But I also don't know when you're supposed to put the meat in the pot. So I'm gonna put the meat in the pot because the meat has smoke flavor and the smoke is gonna get into my pot. So there you go. And I wash my beans with salt, like I saw my mother do years ago. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, and it's cooking down on low. It's cooking on low, and I'm gonna leave it on low. But I did say I was gonna use a little onion. Put a little bit of onion in there. So I'm gonna cut a piece of my little onion from my little bark thing right here. Yes. That's all I'm gonna do. Just put a little piece of onion in there. Just a little piece of onion. This is so funny because all this is the scallion that we buy in the store. I'm going to keep it here as long as I can and let it keep growing. And I'm going to use it. Mm, mm, mm. So I'm gonna leave that like that. Right now it's on low, and I'm gonna put a little note on the counter so that I know that it was there from what time to what time, because I'm gonna leave it on there for 8 hours. That's how I do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. You already know I'm not gonna force this camera for 8 hours, right? You shall see the results tomorrow.